Hello once more, and I just came to show you one of my fantabulous creations. Here it is. It's a paper model. It is an Air India 777-300ER. I'm not Indian, but it is the only livery they had on the Canon website. Yeah, and I have the wheels and everything. They're actually pretty good. And I glossed it with some gloss. It took a little while because I forgot the paper has porosity. Ow. Yeah. This thing's quite hard. Yeah. There's the tail. It's very nice. It's made out of cardstock, so it's a lot more strong. Let's see the very nice gloss on the back here. Yeah. Yeah, don't do this, kids. Don't try flying a plane upside down at home. Do it somewhere else. Yeah, don't do it. Yeah, so I have nothing else to say. So hope you like this. And goodbye. Plane says bye too.